Hey guys, so if you're watching this, the time has finally come to take the nails off. I've got two that are broken, one that's about to come off, and if you're watching this and you've had nails, then you know it's pretty painful and tragic to have your nails break off. So we're gonna do a little how-to, take your gel manicure off at home. Ooh, let's see how this goes. You are going to need nail polish remover, tin foil, cotton balls, and a small bowl. Now saturate your balls really nice. Cut up small rectangles to wrap around each finger. You want to make sure those balls stay nice and wet when they're sticking to your hands. Place a cotton ball on each fingernail and then wrap around with your tin foil like a little baby finger burrito. After you finish both hands, set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes, pour yourself a glass of wine, and just sit and do nothing. We're all pretty much used to doing that now anyway. So that didn't take off as many nails as I wanted, so we're gonna have to try another method. More advanced nail polish. It's green, like the Hulk's blood. So we're gonna Hulk smash these damn nails off. First file. We're gonna repeat saturating our cotton balls and placing them on each finger while wrapping them with the tin foil again. So I was able to get 5 nails off and only had to repeat 4 nails. Wait, that only leaves me with 9 fingers. I have 10. So I was able to get 6 nails off and only had to do 4. So we're gonna put on 15 minutes on the timer and wait. Now using a wooden nail tool to scrape the shit out of your nails. Please don't use a metal scraper. We've already messed up our nails enough. Oh, guess what? It didn't fully work. So now we have to cut and file the rest of these nails off. Since we just drained all the moisture from the cuticles of your nails, let's add a little oil. If you don't have hemp oil at home, use olive oil, hair oil, or just some moisturizer. Finally, it's time to polish our nails. I found this oldie but goodie Christian Dior glitter polish. And why I say oldie but goodie is because I haven't used it in about 3 years. And there you go. It looks like a stripper shot a confetti gun on my nails. See you guys in the next video of What the Fuck Is She Doing Now?